Hello friends, in this tutorial video we are going to design a super beautiful panel for the Game Hour page. Join us. Hey guys, welcome to Developer Ninja. I'm Reza. Hit that subscribe button and let's build something amazing together. We download the project resources from this site. We import the resources into Photoshop and modify them as desired. Open Unity and create a 2D project called Game Hour Screen. Here we change the name of our scene to Main Menu and create another scene for the game. Open the Build Setting dialog and add the scenes to it. Now we will create a simple UI for the main menu page. Create the image folder and drag the photos into it. Now we will create the scripts folder and create the scene manage script. We create a scene manager object on the hierarchy section and then add the scene manage script to it. Now we open the script. In class scene manage, we create a function to go to the game scene. Now we add the function we created to the Start button click event. Now we go to game scene and design the scene user interface and the Game Hour screen. We create a scene manager object for this scene as well and drag the script into it. Open the script and create another function to go to the main menu scene. Now we call the corresponding function for the on-click event of each button on the Game Hour page. We create the Game Hour Manager object and then add its script. In this class, we create an object of the Game Hour panel and a function to display the Game Hour panel. Okay, here we add to the script to it. So in the on-click event of this button, we call the function to display the Game Hour panel. Now we are going to test the project, and as we can see, it's working properly. More awesome tutorials are on the way. Hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell.